Hi, I'm Julia. I'll show you how to delete up to 50 tweets a day completely free using Circleboom. First, go to Circleboom and connect your X account. Click the Connect Your X and Delete Your Tweets button. X will ask you to authorize Circleboom X Manager. Select your account and click Authorize App. Circleboom is an official X Enterprise developer, so this is completely safe. Then your tweets load automatically. No archive upload, no extra steps. You'll see all your recent posts listed right there. And a badge in the top right will tell you exactly how many you can delete today. On the free plan, that's 50 posts. After that, you can search by keyword to narrow down exactly which tweets you want to remove. Once you're happy with the selection, just click Delete 50 posts, confirm when prompted, and Circleboom removes them permanently through X's official API. And if you want to wipe your entire tweet history in one go, you can do that too. Just log into Circleboom and delete them all at once with a subscription. That's it. Quick, clean, and done. Happy Circlebooming!